This is section 3.2. I think we can take care of 4 problems here. Here's the first one. Which average, the mean, median, or mode, is associated with the standard deviation? Well, that turns out to be the mean. Mean and the standard deviation go together, so we'll select that choice. Second one, what is the relationship between the variance and the standard deviation for a sample data? All right, the variance and the standard deviation. If you know the variance and take the square root, you get the standard deviation. So does one of these say that the standard deviation is equal to half? Well, that's not it. The standard deviation is equal to 2 times? No. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Looks good. Let's just be sure. The standard deviation is the square. That's the opposite. So it's the second one here. This one right here. On to 3. When computing the standard deviation, does it matter whether the data are sample data or data comprising the entire population? It does make a difference, because if you're working with a sample and you want the standard deviation, you divide by lowercase n minus 1. If you are working with a population, you divide by the entire population size, which is capital N. So let's see if we have one of those. What's the first one here? Yes. Okay. Well, it does matter, so we can cross these 2 bottoms out. Which one is it going to be here? Yes, the formula for S is divided by N. This is the opposite. It goes this way. The formula for S is divided by N minus 1, while the formula for sigma, population standard deviation, is divided by N. It's this second one here, so we will select that one. And the last one here, number 4. What symbol is used for the standard deviation when it's a sample statistic? Okay, now a statistic we're going to use when we can, English letters. Let's see, for the standard deviation, so this could be an S for standard deviation. What symbol is used for the standard deviation when it's a population? So population, we'll use a Greek letter. So we're going to have that sigma. So what do we have? Sample statistic. This is backwards. Both, that's not right. Both don't use the same symbol. Sample statistic, English letter, S. Population parameter, sigma. We're going to have the last one there. There we go.